Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl Nkem, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys a really quick hairstyle to try. I'm going to use the attachment wool for this hairstyle. Here I have a pack of the attachment wool, but I'm just going to use one of it. Okay, it is 3 in a pack, but I'm using just one of this. So I'm going to use my straw as well and this. Okay, now if you don't want to use the bobby pin, you can use elastic band. I'm going to show you guys what this is for, and let's get started. To roll the attachment wool, this is the length I'm using. This is what I cut out, and I just have 2 rows here, and here is my straw. I'm going to fix this like this. Okay, just put it like this, and this is the point where you use elastic band to tie, or you use your bobby pin. I'm going to use bobby pin for this. I'm going to open the bobby pin up and then use it to secure this like this. See, just like this, and then I'm going to start rolling. So you want to hold this like this and then start rolling. So you just want to roll like this. Keep rolling. Roll, 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 roll till you exhaust this. When you get to this point, if you're using elastic band, this is where you get your elastic band and tie. But like I said in this video, I'm using bobby pin. I'm going to take one of the bobby pin again and then secure this like this. And then you have this. This is what we have after rolling. I'm going to dip this in auto tan now. Pour in your auto tan. After dipping this in auto tan, this is what we have. It is a bit dried now, so I'm just going to take out the pin on both sides. Then I'm just going to use this. Put this into. And then cut out the ends. You don't want these straight parts, so you cut it off. After cutting, I'm going to separate this now. So this is what we have after separating it. I'm going to go back to the next stage. We're not the same now. This other little light, the common ground is shaking in your eye. If you could believe me, let's jump in the deep end. We'll jump in the deep end. Yeah. I said, hey, we don't need to leave all of the differences aside. You and I feel right. I said, maybe we don't need to leave all of the differences aside. 'Cause that's what makes it right. I'm nothing like you, and you're nothing like me. We don't agree, and that's what makes it right. I'm nothing like you, and you're nothing like me. Opposite sides, and that's what makes it right. Oh, every time that you think it's gone too far, we come a long way, and I know that it's only just begun. 'Cause if you think that loving someone else could ease your mind, let me just remind you, dear, of all the years we've collided.